What's going on, guys? Welcome to Spang's World. Today we're going to change the oil in the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon here with a 3.8 liter. Let's get into it.
Woo, all the way out further back.
Reinstall our oil drain bolt. With the oil filter way up here, I'm gonna pull that out. Really should have sprayed this up before I did all this. Oh well. Got the oil pan down here, catch all the oil and stuff to add the new one. Oh, did I do that shit? You know. Alright, we're ready to install the new filter. This is the Fram PH3614. I think this is the same as my car, if I'm not mistaken. So that makes it a little bit easier now if we go get filters and stuff. But it takes 6 quarts of oil. I usually use the Castrol GTX in it, 520 in most of my motors and stuff. What I usually grab. Yeah, let's get the new filter put in there. I think I can do this 2 hands. Alright, this is just what I do. I'm using a new filter. I usually just dab my finger in the oil, get a little bit of oil on there, and then go around the seal before installing. That way, hopefully it gets a good seal when you put it in. I usually just put it in hand tight. That seems to work the best, especially when you go to take it out. I've never had them leak and stuff or come off, so. What? Do what? All right, now that we're done replacing the oil, we need to get the oil light off. Come in here. Dark in here. You key the car on, press the gas 3 times real quick. 1, 2, 3. And then key it off. Key back on. Then we've still got the low tire and the door, gas cap, other issues going on, but the oil is done. So there we have it. Pretty easy to do the oil change yourself and stuff, and get it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if it was helpful or anything, and subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.